Have you ever imagined living the life of your dreams, but you're stuck wondering how to make it happen? What if I told you the secret isn't magic, it's manifestation? In just 3 minutes, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to turn your dreams into reality. Stay with me, because step 3 will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Step 1. Clarity is power. Get crystal clear on what you want. If you're vague about your dreams, the universe can't deliver. So, grab a notebook and write down your dream life in vivid detail. Picture it. What does your perfect day look like? How do you feel? What do you see around you? Be specific. The more you define it, the closer you are to achieving it. Step 2. Align your energy. Align your energy with your desires. This means raising your vibration to match the frequency of your dream life. Gratitude and visualization. Start your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. It instantly puts you in a positive mindset. Then, spend a few minutes visualizing yourself living your dream. Imagine the joy, the excitement, the confidence. Feel it as if it's already yours. Step 3. Take inspired action. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting for things to magically appear. You need to take inspired action. This means acting as if your dream life is already happening. Want to write a book? Start drafting your outline. Dream of owning a business? Research your niche. These small steps show the universe you're serious, and it will meet you halfway. Manifestation isn't just a concept, it's a lifestyle. When you get clear, align your energy, and take action, amazing things happen. So, what's one dream you're ready to manifest? Comment below, and let's manifest together. Like, subscribe, and share to spread the magic of manifestation. Remember, you hold the power to create your dream life. The question is, are you ready to start? Let's make it happen.